Welcome to the Crypto Angel channel. Let's try to do this video without my face, and maybe the lag won't be as bad. It's a pretty cheap computer, so bear with me while we do this. So weekly time frame on JASMY right now is oversold, and it's looking for a bounce. I mean, that's what you expect, right? The monthly time frame has more downside. Be cautious. The 3-day time frame is oversold as well. The 2-day probably similar, maybe a little bit more overbought. What worries me right now is that on the daily time frame, you do have a rounded top, and this was also what I call as a rising wedge. I'll leave the rising wedge right there. That's it. We saw. That was on the smaller time frames. The 8-hour time frame, again, you have that rising wedge. Now, to me, this is still a rounded top. Obviously, the only way to negate it would be to break 2.4 cents. And that's what you would have to do. So I would say it's not strong resistance, but it is local resistance. It's not like resistance on the weekly time frame just yet. But I would say there is some resistance at 2.8 cents. No, 2.4 cents. We'll call it 2.38, I suppose you could call it right now. You have local support here at 1.9 cents, we'll call it. The 8-hour time frame is getting close to being overbought. I believe the 6-hour time frame is pretty much the same thing. The 4-hour time frame is overbought, has a very little more amount of upside you could go. The 2-hour time frame is overbought as well. So I just be cautious. Right now, you're pretty much trading between 1.9 cents and 2.4 cents. You really need to break that. If you lose 1.9, you're looking at 1.5 cents for that last local low, and then below that, it'd basically be half a penny or 3/4 of a penny. To the upside, if you break 2.4 cents, I'd be looking for 2.65 cents. The problem is you're still really far from the 200 moving average, so I would like to see that come up and get a little bit closer to price action. So really, I do think, though, if on the 4-hour time frame you break this 2.1 cent area, 2.2 cents, we'll call it, you do have a good chance going up to that 4-hour time frame. That's usually what happens. Let's see if on the 2-hour you break it. You have not yet. You have not broken the 21 on the 2-hour. You have not broken it really on the 1-hour. You actually did break it, but you're testing it again and probably going to fail it. Let's go to the 33-minute time frame. Again, you're sitting on that. Can you hold that level? The 15 minutes already lost it. So I think 2.2 cents is also local resistance, and then you have resistance up here at 2.4. If you can get above 2.2, that'd be the start of a possible recovery for JASMY on the higher time frames, such as possibly the daily. But for right now, 2.2, 2.4, and 2.65 cents are resistances to the downside. You have support at 1.9 and 1.5 cents. If you guys enjoyed this update, appreciate if you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video. Hopefully this went smoother than my last video where it kept freezing. I think it was a lot smoother. It's kind of unfortunate when I use the camera, it freezes all the time. But I'll be back live Saturday at 11 p.m. Central Time. Until then, trade safe. Have a great rest of your week. I'll see you guys in the live